ORABOND Foam Tapes provide solutions for many different applications that you may not be aware of, such as mirror and sanitary component installs, fixing of panels, handles, hooks, and hangers, and the sealing of trims and panels in the automotive and advertising industries. ORABOND Foam Tapes have multiple adhesives that bond extremely well to aluminum, metal, plastic, glass, and ceramic surfaces. Many ORABOND foam tapes have AM2 modified solvent acrylic adhesive. This high shear, high tack adhesive provides excellent adhesion to low surface energy plastic. ORABOND foam tapes also offers AM6 modified solvent acrylic adhesive, which is removable and has excellent no-build adhesion to most surfaces. ORABOND foam tapes boast versatile adhesives, liners, and carriers and are available for custom cuts. You can learn more about ORABOND adhesive properties by visiting the Americas region of orafol.com and clicking on the product components under the Adhesive Tape Systems section. Most ORABOND foam tapes are UL and/or FDA certified, all while offering multiple uses for seamless applications. ORABOND foam tapes provides long-term durability, which results in quieter interiors, cleaner adhesion, and superior performance that you can count on. ORAFOL offers many tools to help you select the best tape for your next application. Visit the Americas region at orafol.com and click on the support page. Here, you can download the ORABOND Industrial Tapes brochure. You can also connect with an ORAFOL authorized distributor located near you.